Hi, this is Colton Kaiser again with the Family Camping Service Center in Amarillo, Texas. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2019 Rockwood Signiture by Forest River.
The Rockwood Signiture is made with 6-sided aluminum construction. It comes equipped with a 4-point auto leveling system, all controlled from this onboard monitor. It comes with a factory installed rear storage rack. It is also equipped with a bicycle rack. MotorRide fold-down step system allows for a more secure and stable entry and exit from the coach. The Reese Revolution pin box allows for easy towing with both short bed and long bed pickups. The Dexter TorqueFlex axles allow for a more stable and smooth ride quality. The Rockwood Signiture has 2 awnings allowing for full patio coverage that are both equipped with full-length LED lighting. It comes with a built-in full electric fireplace. It comes with 2 La-Z-Boy brand recliners. Rockwood has a 12 cubic foot 4-door gas electric refrigerator. It has a 13,500 BTU air conditioner in the bedroom and a 15,000 BTU air conditioner in the living room, both Coleman units. It comes with a built-in sweep back system that includes all the accessories. The Rockwood comes with 1 year of CoachNet roadside assistance.
As always, if you have any questions regarding the Rockwood Signature or any other trailer you might see in our video, feel free to stop by. Our address and contact information is always in the description box. Or feel free to give us a call at 806-622-0441. Thank you.